Tired of restless nights? The Mzoo Luxury Sleep Eye Mask promises the ultimate zero-pressure sleep experience for everyone. First, let's talk about zero eye pressure. Its deepest 13mm arc-shaped eye cups provide makeup-safe space and allow natural blinking. This revolutionary design truly makes it the best 3D sleeping mask, giving your eyes ample space without any discomfort. If you're a side sleeper, listen up. The upgraded 15 degrees curved thin sides ensure smooth transitions, eliminating temple pressure from traditional masks. This means you can enjoy uninterrupted sleep in any position, a game changer for finding the perfect side sleeper eye mask. But what about light? Mzoo's patented contoured eye cups and deep 22mm nose padding block 100% of light leakage. Say goodbye to annoying slivers of light disrupting your rest. This truly is a complete night blindfold. Plus, the patented nose bridge cutout perfectly contours your face for zero pressure and free breathing, staying in place all night. Made with super soft, fade-resistant fabric and air-hole memory foam, it's cool, breathable, and incredibly comfortable for long-term use. Ready for the best sleep of your life? Click the Amazon link in the description to buy your Mzoo Sleep Eye Mask and experience pure bliss.